I'm Debra Dixon-Anderson, founder and CEO of Light of Gold PR Marketing and Consulting, LLC. Well, Light of Gold PR is 15 years old this year, but it's very gratifying when you're an entrepreneur and when you're the owner of your own business. So it's a small business. I feel like I get a chance to work on projects that I'm very passionate about. No 2 days the same with my company, so a day-to-day looks like typically a lot of meetings, going over a giant things to-do list with my team, which can be a combination of sometimes it's part-time people, sometimes it's interns, sometimes it's vendors, and just going over those different projects and sharing all of the tasks. Ooh, my favorite part of the job would be when clients kind of have that aha moment and they realize that the advice that our team is giving them is actually good advice they really need to listen to. Really, I love working with a team. I'm very team oriented. I love working with a team that involves different cultures, different races, different age groups, and I feel like we always have things in common. And when we grow together, I always feel like teamwork makes the dream. A lot of networking, business to business networking, networking with groups, organizations, people, diverse industries, and sometimes that's not always within the same state. Especially now, during this time in our country. So sometimes it's not always even in the same city or state. It could be outside.